my dear students. Okay, today teacher will continue example 9, page 110. Given the universal set x is an integer, x more and equal to 50 and less and equal 60, set G, x is a prime number, set H, x is a multiple of 4, and set I, x is a multiple of 5. List all the elements and state the number of elements. Okay, so now we list all the universal set. Okay, x more than 50 and equal 50. So we start with a 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay, so now we list a G. Okay, G is a prime number, so the prime number is 53 and 59. Okay, H is a multiple of 4, so H equal to multiple of 4 is 52, 56, 60, and I is a multiple of 5, so I equal to multiple of 5, 50, 55, 60. Yeah. Okay, now we do the A. Okay, G union H complement. Okay, so first we have to list the G union H. Yeah. Okay, we list the G union H. G union H. Okay, we start with the G first. Okay, 53, 59, and H 52, 56, and 60. Okay, now G union H complement. Okay, we look at the universal set. Okay, 50. Okay, all the G union H complement all the universal set except the union of G and H. So 50, 51, okay, 52 no, 53 no, 54 yes, 55 yes, 56 no, 57 yes, 58 yes, 59 no because it's here, and 60 no. Okay, so here. Okay, okay, so the number G union H complement is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6. Okay, this is the answer for A. Okay, this is the answer for A. Okay, okay, B. Okay, G union I complement. Okay, so now we have to find the G union I first. Okay, list the G union I. Okay, G and I. Okay, start with the G first. 53, 59, then I 50, 55, and 60. Okay, G union I is a combination of G and I and the element cannot be repeated. Okay, now we list a G union I. We list a G union I complement. Okay, 50? No. 51? Yes. 52? Yes. 53? Okay, no. 54? Yes. 55 is here? No. 56? Yes. 57? Yes. 58? Yes. 59 is here? No. 60 is here. Okay, so here. So the number G union I complement is 6. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay. We look at C. H union I complement, yeah. So now we list H union I. Okay, H union I. Okay, we start with the H first. 52, 56, and 60. And we list the I. Okay, 50, 55, and 60 is here. No, cannot be repeated. Okay, so H union I complement. Okay, so 50 has, cannot. 51 don't have. Okay, list the 51. 52 here, yes. 53 don't have, so write 53. 54 don't have. 54, 55 got. 56 here. Okay. 57 don't have. 58 don't have. 59 don't have. And 60 have. Okay. So the number H union I complement equal to 6, yeah. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay. Okay, D. G union H union I complement, yeah. Complement. So now we release the G union H union I. Okay, so start with the G first. Okay, 53, 59, then H 52, 56, 60, and then 50, I 50, 55, 60 got, yeah, 60 got. Okay, we list the G union H union I complement. Okay, now 50 has, 51 don't have, 52 has, 53 has, 54 don't have, 55 has, 56 has, 57 don't have, 58 don't have, 59 has, 60 has. Okay, so 51, 57, 58. So the number G union H union I complement is 4. Okay. Okay, we continue with the example 10, page 111. Okay. Okay, 3 private travel agencies A, B, and C are chosen to organize the tourism exhibition 2020 in Sarawak. Several divisions in Sarawak are chosen to hold exhibitions as follows. Okay, Universal Sets, Kapit, Miri, Bintulu, Sibu, Limbang, Muka, Kuching, Betul. Okay, A, yeah, travel agency A have chosen to organize the Miri, Sibu, Kuching, Betong. Okay, travel agency B have to organize Miri, Sibu, Kapit, Limbang. And travel agency C will organize Miri, Betong, Kapit, Muka. Okay, so the question is A1, A union B complement. Okay, so A union B, okay. A union B, we start with the A first. Okay, Miri, Sibu, Kuching, and Betong. And then B, Miri, okay, got. Sibu has. Kapit, don't have. So, and Limbang. Okay, so A union B complement. Okay, A union B complement is, okay, we look at a universal set. Kapit has, Miri has, Bintulu. Okay, Bintulu don't have, so write Bintulu. Okay, Sibu has, Limbang has, Muka don't have, so write Muka. Okay, Kuching has, Betong has. Okay, so this is the answer. Yeah. Okay, now A2, draw a Venn diagram to represent sets A, B, and C and shade the region that represent each of the following complements of unions of sets. So we want to draw the Venn diagram for A union B complement. Okay. Now A, B, and C. Okay, A, B, and C. Okay, we look here. We have to find intersection of A, B, and C. Okay, so intersection is, okay, they all get Miri. So this is Miri. And B, Sibu. Okay, Sibu. And then A and C. Miri. Okay, Betong. Okay. B and C. Kapit. Okay, look at A. Miri has, Sibu has, Betong has, so Kuching here. Okay, Kuching. Yeah. Okay, look B. Miri has, Sibu has, Kapit has, so Limbang. Okay, C. Miri, Betong, Kapit, Muka. Okay, so here we check ya. Kapit has, Miri has, Bintulu. Okay, Bintulu is not here, so Bintulu is outside. Sibu, yes. Limbang here. Muka here. Kuching here. Betong here. Okay, that's all. So, how to shade A union B complement? Okay, A union B complement is Bintulu and Muka. So, we shade the Bintulu and Muka, yeah. Okay, Bintulu and Muka. We shade like this. Okay, shade all. Okay. Okay, so we write the universal set like this. Okay. So we shade Bintulu, area Bintulu and muka. Okay, so this one no shading. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, the answer for A1 and the answer for A2. Okay. Now we look at A2, B union C complement. So we have to find the B union C first, B union C, okay, equal to, okay, write B first, Miri, Sibu, Kapit, Limbang, and C, Miri has, Betong don't have, Kapit has, and then Muka, Okay, now B union C complement. Okay, B union C complement. Okay, so Kapit has, Miri has, Bintulu don't have. So Bintulu. Okay, Bintulu. And then Sibu has, Limbang has, Muka has, Kuching. Okay, Kuching don't have. And then Betong, Betong has, So this is the answer. Okay. B union C complement is Bintulu and Kuching, so we write Bintulu and Kuching only, We shade Bintulu and Kuching. Okay. We shade Bintulu, area Bintulu and Kuching, Bintulu and Kuching. Okay, so the answer for for B2, okay, this is answer for B2, Shade the Venn diagram for B union C complement. Okay, this is the answer. Okay. A3, A union B union C complement. So we have to write the A union B union C first, Okay, so the answer is, okay, we write A first. Okay, we write A, Miri, Sibu, Kuching, Betong. Okay, Miri has, Sibu has, Kapit. Okay, Kapit. Limbang. Okay, Miri has, Betong has, Kapit has, Muka don't have, Muka. Okay, so A union B union C complement equal to, okay, universal set Kapit, yes. Miri got, Bintulu has, okay, Bintulu don't has, So the Bintulu. Okay, Sibu has, Limbang has, Muka has, Kuching has, Betong has. Okay, so Bintulu. So you write. So A union B union C complement is Bintulu. So we shade only Bintulu, We shade only Bintulu. this is the answer. Syed bin Tolu. Okay, before teacher end the lesson today, I want you to do exercise on self-practice 4.2b, page 112. Okay, I want you to do question 1, question 2, question 3 and question 4. Okay, after you did the question, you can check the answer at the back of the textbook. If you got problem, you can text me and I will try to help you. Until we meet in the next class, okay, bye.